Good morning, my dear students. You are most welcome in my social study class. This is Rajesh Kumar Shah. Students, today I will cover SST. It means Social Studies, Social Science. The sector of this subject is history. Now, type of this subject is emergence of new idea. Chapter number 16. Students, you know better. Topic is the head of the chapter. So, first of all, I will discuss about the type topics. Students, here given the word of emergence of new idea. What is the meaning of the emergence and what is the meaning of the new idea? Students, emergence means highlight, okay, and new means modern and idea means European. So it is clear, emergence new idea मतलब होता है कि नई सोच. So okay, now let us start. With the passage of time, new ideas become to evolve and lay the basis of various philosophies. The later Vedic age saw the rise of Hindus. समय के साथ परिवर्तन होते रहता है. Now, respect is this revolutions. After the Vedic age, the rise of Hindus. Students, you know Hindus is the name of the religions. Hindus philosophy is unique. It covers all aspects of the life and makes life lively and fruitful. During the Vedic period, the philosophies and the ideologies of the sages shaped Hinduism. Now, next topics, Upanishad. Students, now discuss about the Upanishad. What is the meaning of Upanishad? And your topic is Upanishad. Upanishads. Okay, students, this word is the made up of different like this. Upa plus ni मतलब नी plus sa. Okay, this word is we can divide it in the three forms like upa, ni plus sa. So what is the meaning of this real meaning of this Upanishad? Now students, upa means near. What is means near, and ni means down. What is down, and sa means to sit. What is to sit? Okay, students, I repeat again. Upanishad we can divide three forms like upa, ni, sa. The meaning of the upa means near, ni means down, and sa means to sit. So clear. Upanishad means sitting down near a spiritual teacher in the order to receive knowledge of religion and philosophy. So clear? Teaching of Upanishads. First of all, I repeat again, students. What is Upanishads? You know better. Upanishads are the Upanishads are part of the Hindu scriptures. Okay, what is meaning of Upanishads and what is Upanishads. So both are clear. You know there are 108 Upanishads are there. आपको याद रखना है because this is the very main points of this topics. इस टॉपिक्स का मेन पॉइंट है always this question is asked to you. हमेशा इस क्वेश्चन को पूछा जाता है how many Upanishads are there. Now your right answer is 108. उपनिषद की टोटल कितनी संख्या होती है 108. So clear? Now teaching of the Upanishad. इसके कुछ शिक्षा है, कुछ उद्देश्य हैं. Students, the Upanishad criticize rituals and the lay ascetics on the knowledge. They insist that the knowledge of the self and should be acquired and the relation between the self and Brahma should be understood. हालांकि उपनिषद की यह मानना है कि सेल्फ एंड ब्रह्मा को इससे फोकस करता है. बट स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेल्फ एंड ब्रह्मा? ओके, सेल्फ एंड ब्रह्मा, ये सेल्फ एंड ब्रह्मा में क्या मतलब बनता है एंड व्हाट इज द मैसेजेस गिवन बाय उपनिषद अबाउट द सेल्फ एंड सेल्फ. सेल्फ मींस होता है शॉर्ट, ओके, एंड ब्रह्मा Brahma means created. ये फोकस करता है उपनिषद सिर्फ इन दो बातों पे. ओके, बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू उपनिषद ब्रह्मा इज द रिगार्डेड एज द क्रिएचर, विष्णु एज द प्रिजर्वर एंड शिवा एज द डिस्ट्रॉयर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. एसेंस ऑफ द उपनिषद. What is the meaning of the essence, students? Essence. Essence means element. Element. इसके क्या कुछ बातें हैं? Now, all the Upanishads accept the theory of transmigration and कर्म. उपनिषद का यह मानना है कि हम लोगों का कर्म ही काम आता है. The soul is immortal but has to go through unending cycle of the birth and death as the result of कर्म. हमारी जो आत्माएं हैं इसका मरण नहीं होता, यह कर्म के अनुसार इसका सर्कुलेशन, इसका ये सर्कुलेट होते रहता है. When a jiva dies, it is the body that dies, not the soul. The soul enters the new body. According to Upanishads, the essence of Upanishads is the proof that कि जीव मरता है, कोई एनिमल्स की डेथ होती है, बट उसकी सॉल की नहीं होती, उसकी आत्मा की नहीं होती. उसकी आत्माएं किसी दूसरे न्यू बॉडी में इंटर कर जाती है, प्रवेश कर जाती है. Karmarg means of good deeds. According to Upanishads, here 3 marks provided to all of us, like the Karmarg, Janmarg, and Bhakti marg. Karmarg by the means of good deeds. Karmarg से अच्छे काम की प्राप्ति होती है. Janmarg नॉलेजेस बढ़ते हैं. भक्ति मार्ग से डिवोशन ऑफ गॉड, श्रद्धा की विकास होती है. Spirit of Hindus spread the beyond India. Many and more countries follow these religions like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Indonesia, Cambodia, where the temple of Vishnu called the Angkor Wat it is located. Now next topics. Here given Jainism. What is Jainism? Students, you know, firstly, Jainism is the name of religion. Jainism एक धर्म का नाम है. Now, this word comes from Jina. यह वर्ड किस वर्ड से आया है? जीना वर्ड से. Now, the meaning of Jina is calculator means winner. Okay, the first yani founder of this religion here given Mahavira was the 24th Tirthikar. Here one Tirthikar. tirthikar ये tirthikar का मतलब क्या होता है in the terms of जैनिज्म. जैनिज्म के क्षेत्र में ये तीर्थकर का मतलब क्या होता है? सीकर ऑफ ट्रूथ. व्हाट इज सीकर ऑफ ट्रूथ? जैनिज्म का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द तीर्थकर? तीर्थकर मींस होता है सीकर ऑफ द ट्रूथ. इन द रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस टॉपिक्स महावीरा वाज द 24th तीर्थकर्स ऑफ द जैनिज्म. Students, you know, so who was first Tirthikar of the Jainism? Yeah, first Tirthikar is also called founder of Jainism. So it is clear, founder of Jainism was Rishabhdev. What is Rishabhdev? And it is also clear Rishabhdev was the first ruler of the first Tirthikar of the Jainism, and Mahavir was the 24th Tirthikar, and it is the last Tirthikar. But Mahavir has popularized the faith, लेकिन इनकी विश्वास से ज्यादा हुई और काफी पॉपुलराइज हुई. Now respect of this topics I will discuss about the Mahavira. Mahavira was born at the Kundalwan near Vaisali in the 540 BC. Students, this place is located in Bihar. His father Siddharth was the head of the famous Kshatriya clan, and his mother Trishula was the princess of the Likshmi clan. So it is clear the father's name of the Mahavira was Siddharth, and mother's name of the Mahavira was Trishula. Mahavira was the brought up in luxury. He got married to a girl named Yashoda. So clear, wife name of the Mahavira was Yashoda. However, he was not interested on the worldly positions and left home at the age of 30 in order to become a ascetic. हालांकि जह मैरिज तो इनकी हो गई, बट एज ऑफ 30 में ये प्रेम मार्ग को छोड़ के और श्रेय मार्ग की ओर चल पड़े. एंड ही कंटिन्यूड 12 years सर्च ऑफ द राइट ट्रुथ. एक सच्ची खोज में लगभग ये 12 years अपने लाइफ का एक्सपेंड किए. एंड नाउ एज ऑफ 42 years, और जब यह 42 years के हुए तो इन्हें ज्ञान की प्राप्ति हुई. नाउ दिस he discontinued wearing clothes. Now they came to known as the Mahavira and the Jina, yeah, his followers are called Jain. और ये जो कपड़े 12 years तक पहन के निकले वही पहने रहे, और आफ्टर 12 years इन्हें ज्ञान की प्राप्ति होती है और इनको जीना के नाम से जानते हैं. Mahavira was the 24th Tirthikar. He is the recognized the other 23 Tirthikars who are the lived before him. आप इसको बता सकते हो. For 30 years Mahavira propagated his religions in a place like the Kosala, Mithila, Champa and the Magadh. At the age of 72 in the 468 BC, Mahavira passed away at the place called the Pavapuri near the Rajasthan. ताकि 72 वर्ष के उम्र में 72 years की एज में इनकी डेथ हो जाती है. एंड महावीरा गिव अस सम टीचिंग्स like here three jewels: right faith, right knowledge and right conduct. For to become a Jain monk, a person must follow these rules. Jewels तो दे दिए, बट इसमें इंक्लूड होने के लिए, शामिल होने के लिए कुछ करती थी. Now, first to become a Jain monk, carry a whisk to brush a small animal insect of the way. Wear a cloth over the mouth so as not to harm insect. किसी इंसेक्ट को आप क्षति नहीं करो, हार्म नहीं करो. Never light lamp at night and walk in the dark. और कभी भी रात में आप अंधेरे में नहीं चला करें. नेक्स्ट, एस्प्रिट ऑफ जैनिज्म. अब इसके प्रचार प्रसार कैसे? स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ द जैनिज्म from Magadha and the Anga Jainis spread gradually to South and West India. Later is spread to Kalinga in Orissa and the southern district of Tamil Nadu. Gradually it is the penetrated Malwa, Gujarat and Rajasthan. But it is the not covered to all over India. हालांकि ये पूरे भारत में कवर नहीं कर पाया because it did not condemn the one system. ये one system पे condemn नहीं करता. Students here the one system, like the 4-1 system, like the Brahma, Kshatriya, Vaisya and Sudra. There was the overemphasis non-violence which the prevented large sections from becoming Jains. और ये non-violence की नीति पर, पॉलिसी पर ये वर्क करती थी, इसलिए ज्यादा लोग इसमें पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाए. Farmers could not become Jains because the cultivations involved killing the insects and the pests. फार्मर भी नहीं इसमें ज्वाइन हो पाए बिकॉज जब फार्मर फार्मिंग करेगा तो बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट किलिंग करेगा ना वो. क्राफ्टमैन एंड मेनी अदर्स पीपल फेस्ड सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम्स. और भी डिफरेंट लोग, डिफरेंट हेल्पर्स इसी तरीके के प्रॉब्लम्स को भी फेस किया. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द बौद्धिज्म. स्टूडेंट्स, बौद्धिज्म, as you know better, you know that our country has been a great man. It means हमारा देश जो है वो महापुरुषों का है. Now, the next topics of this lesson, I will discuss about the Buddhism. Students, Siddhartha Gautama Buddha was the founder of the Buddhism. Who was the founder of Buddhism? Now we can say that the answer of this question, Gautama Buddha. But here two words, two name given, Siddhartha या Gautama Buddha. Yes, students, the earlier name of Gautama Buddha was known as Siddhartha, and after the obtaining true knowledge, Siddhartha is the known as Gautama Buddha. Okay, so clear? He was born in Lumbini near Kapilvastu around 563 BC. It is located in Nepal. या नेपाल में है. He was the son of Susodhan and the chief of the Sakya clan. Clear? The father's name of the Lord Buddha is known as Susodhan. Siddhartha said to have lost his mother Maya when she was the merely 7 days old. हालांकि सिद्धार्थ की जब जन्म हुई उसके सिर्फ 7 डेज बाद ही उनकी मम्मी माया देवी क्या है, डेथ कर जाती है. एंड when he was born, the astrologers and the predicted that there would be 4 different things that lead him to become the ascetic. His father tried his best to keep him away from all sorts of pain and brought him up to in the lap of the luxury. हालांकि उनके पापा ने इनको किसी प्रकार की कमी होने का प्रयास नहीं होने दिया. In the course of time, Siddhartha married Yashodhara and they had a son named Ram. उनकी शादी होती है, इसके बाद राम नाम के बेटे के जन्म. Now, inevitables happened when one day Siddhartha saw an old man, a sick man, and a dead body and a city. एक बार की ऐसी बात है कि लाइफ में टू टर्न होता है और ये 4 साइड्स को देखते हैं. The astrologers, the predictions came true and became a wandering monk at the age of 29. और यह 29 years के एज में एक wandering के रूप में निकल पड़े. He wandered for 6 years, during which he put himself through all kinds of hardship. Finally, he sat under the peepal tree at the Bodh Gaya. It is located in our state, it is Bihar. and the meditated for the 40 days there, और उन्होंने लगभग 40 दिनों तक वहां पे पूरे मेडिटेट किए, where, बोध गया, under the people tree, and he attained the supreme knowledge of the enlightenment, in the end came to known as the Buddha. For the 45 years he kept on the wandering, preaching and meditating regularly. But Buddha teachings, they are gifts, give us many more teachings, like first of all 4 novels, 4 ये सत्य हम लोग को बताए. फर्स्ट, दुख, इट मीन्स द वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ सॉरो, संसार दुखों से भरा है. दुख समुद्र, दुख विरुद्ध, एंड दुख निर्धांगिनी प्राप्ति पदा. नाउ नेक्स्ट, he gave the 8-fold path. It is called a standing marks for his followers. Now right faith, right thought, right speech, right action, right living, right efforts, right remembrance, right meditations. Esprit of Buddhism. Buddhism का प्रसार कैसे? Buddhism as spread to Tibet, China, Central Asia and Southeast Asia. Emperor Ashoka popularized Buddhism in India, Sri Lanka and the several West Asian countries. Kanishka popularized Buddhism and Afghanistan and Central Asia. हालांकि जैन की तरह नहीं, ये बौद्ध का पूरे आउट ऑफ कंट्री, हमारे देश के बाहर भी इसका स्प्रेड काफी ज्यादा. Buddhism was the more popular and different from the exciting religions. There were the many reasons behind the popularity. Buddha's research in Pali languages of the people which the contributed to the spirit of Buddhism among the common people. हालांकि बौद्ध धर्म का ये स्पिरिट होने का रीजन था कि गौतम बुद्ध पाली लैंग्वेज में, इट इज द कॉमन लैंग्वेज, इजी लैंग्वेज, और में बातें लोगों से कर करके और इसका फीचर्स बताते हैं. ओके, नाउ women were admitted to the संघा and the brought apart with the men. और वो इन लोगों को, वुमेन लोगों को भी अपने इस धर्म में आने का उनको मौका दिया, जो कि जैन धर्म में ये सब बातें नहीं थी. Now students, in this way this chapter is completed. Okay, all the best of luck.